Hello everyone, so today on this channel we're actually going to learn how to make a rose flower from a fabric. Stay tuned. So you would actually need 5 inches of it width. So as you can see, you need 5 inches and also need 36 inches of it length. Okay, so you'd actually get your card or any basement you would want, and then you make the spiral shape on it. Okay, so this is how it is actually looking, and then you make your gathers of the buyers that you actually gotten. Okay, so you do that, you do gathers of it, and then you actually apply it on the card or on the base. Okay, so you actually follow the prompt as it has been done on the card. So you can actually use a glue gun or your sewing machine if you're doing it on a bigger base. So you follow the way how it has actually been drawn on the card or on the base. Okay, and then you go around in that proceedings. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying it. Okay, so this is actually how it's going to look like as you're completely finishing the piece. So I hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned for other amazing videos. Thank you for watching.